Hello friends, I welcome you all in this new video. Today, I am going to discuss about the topic Des Bishop net worth. This news has created huge curiosity among the people of Ireland and the United States. So do watch this video till the end and stay tuned while I will share its salient features. Also do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting news for you. So now, let's move further. Born on November 12, 1975, London, Desmond Ryan Bishop, an Irish American comedian, spent 14 years of his life in the New York City before moving to Ireland, where he fundamentally lives. Talking about the topic Des Bishop net worth, which is quite heading in Ireland and the United States, let us bring to light that Des Bishop's career as a stand up comedian was massively rooted on his examination of the Irish society, accompanied by his skill to imitate the zonal differences of the Irish accent. His income comes largely from his achievement as a famous comedian. His net worth, as calculated for 2020, was approximately $1 million to $5 million at the age of 44, whereas in 2021, his net worth went up to $1.5 million to $5.5 million at the age of 45. About his career timeline, he started as a host in shows at the International Comedy Cellar, and here was where he sharpened his performance. He went on to produce a hip hopper in 2001 in collaboration with Arthur Riordan and also co worked on Shooting Gallery in 2005. In 2002, he acted in the film In America, and later on in 2004 extended to a larger audience through his TV show The Des Bishop Work Experience. He also worked in the TV show In the Name of the Father in 2008. To conclude the topic Des Bishop net worth, the comedian had a tough time dealing with testicular cancer back in 2000 and managing his work. So his journey to his fame and money was not free from struggles. So friends, comment down your experience and your viewpoints on this news and share your experience with us through your comments. We will be glad to be a part of it. This was the overall information about this topic, Des Bishop net worth. Don't forget to comment down your point of view on this topic, guys. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, share, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.